piece shelly there, cow peas, you know, wine stew pork. Delicious. Yeah, my peeps, wine stew ready, you know. Hey guys, welcome back to Lumber Kitchen. Recipe for today, some wine stew pork. Please like and share. It's a recipe I got nice, man. So we're going to add peas to the pot. So you don't know, so some wine stew pork with rice and peas. Alright my peeps, welcome back to Lumber Kitchen. The recipe for today, some wine burnt stew pork, right? So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients when me using my recipe. So I have the garlic here. You can see garlic here, ginger, some pimento seed, we have thyme, scallion, Irish, sweet pepper, hot pepper, carrot, some ketchup, all-purpose Maggi, chicken there, see wine here, right? And so we have some honey, just to flavor it. Just normally use sugar, use the honey instead. And see vinegar here, wash the pork with the vinegar. So see pork right here. We have some cowpeas, so we have some pimento seed, some garlic and some ginger, and see coconut here. So these I'm going to use in my recipe. So please to like and share. Remember, wine stew pork. It's a recipe I got nice and delicious, eatable. Starting by washing pork with the vinegar, right? Yeah. So I'm going to cut the pork them some more smaller pieces, right? Remember, cut it how you like it, but I cut it more smaller. So recipe I got nice, man. Remember, wine stew pork, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. So recipe I got eatable, delicious. Finger licking, you know? Yeah. Yes, my peeps, you can see this is 2 pounds of pork. So I'm gonna cut it in a stew pork, right? Remember, wine stew pork, you know. So you can see they cut it up more smaller. So it's 2 pounds of pork. So I'm going to wash it in some vinegar water, right? Yeah. Alright, peeps, we have some thyme, some pimento seed, some pepper, and some garlic and some ginger. So I'm going to add it to my pork. So I'm going to add the chicken all-purpose to my pork now, right? Also, some Maggi all-purpose. I'm going to add a little brown into it. Right? So I'm going to stir it well. Remember, wine stew pork here. So I'm going to stir it well, you know? Mustard, yeah, man. Squeeze in the season of the meat, man. The recipe I got nice, man. Remember, wine stew pork. Yeah, man, this I got eatable stuff. I'm gonna make this I go and soak for around 4 hours. Normally overnight the season still, but I never get the time to season it overnight, so make it go on season, go and soak in around 4 hours. Yeah, man, so I must have the season them night, you know? Yeah, man. Recipe I got nice, eatable. Remember for like and share. Wine stew pork. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yeah. Yeah, my peeps, so I go on the gas done, you know. Yo, John no started and meet yo, I tell you, I say go still see it. You know, lumberjack are creative you though. Outside to them, man. Take it to them for the course, so food more nice, delicious, eatable. So I say, yeah, man, see, cold fire ketchup there. Yes, my peeps. Remember outside in a wine stew the same, you see it? So I go on typical knife pot. Like that, right? Alright. That go on that now is it. Man, I went to this the same way, 4 what is a soap and I season is it. So you don't know. Just I give you a preview. See copies right, some pieces about it, see. So I'm going to add some sugar to it, alright? Yeah. The recipe I got nice, man. Alright, after that. Yeah, see it? That change color. So you don't know Jamaican cooking it lumber jack, you know. Yeah, man. So the flavor of the pot, you know. Nice and thing. So I'm going to add some ginger and garlic to it. Yeah, man, recipe I got nice, man. Eat it, you know. Remember Jamaican cooking, you know. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yeah, this is a flavor of the oil. It's a recipe I got, yo, I tell you, I got, yo, there are no motor around no water and not done it. Update the pork there. Yeah, man. Wine stew pork. Remember, you know, wine stew pork. Yes, my people, see there? So now tenderize it 15 minutes, right? Yeah, man. So I tenderize 15 minutes. I gotta add some water to go and cook down. I got some of the wine stew, man. I worry yourself. Yeah, man. Recipe I got nice. It's pretty. Look good. Eatable. So now I gotta tenderize it to 15 minutes. So now I'll add some water to these now, right? Yeah, man. Step by step recipe I got delicious, man. Eatable. Right, my peeps, see there. Tenderize it 15 minutes now. So I'm gonna add some water to it. You want it to cook till it gets soft. Add some water to it. Right? If you want to cook till it gets soft, I'm gonna add the wine to it now. I go see your recipe, man. Yeah, update on the pork, you know. Yeah, man. Remember, wine stew, you know. Go and cook and see it. Yeah, that update. Alright, my people, see. Remember the wine stew pork, you know, so cook the pork, make it get soft. Right? We're going to add some carrot, Irish, bell pepper, scallion, and some thyme. Alright, so I'm going to let that one boil until it gets soft now. So the recipe I got nice, man. Remember, you know, wine, stew, pork. Alright, my people, see. Add back the Maggi season to get the flavor back, see it. Alright. That one cook for about 7 minutes. Alright, my people, see it. I gotta add some wine to it now. Remember, wine stew, pork, you know. Yeah, man. That one go down now. Yeah, my people, see there. Add some ketchup to it now. Step by step, me showing it to see it. Alright, my people, see only down. This will get a flavor, see it. Instead of the sugar, you just typical onion like this. Yes, my peeps, it update on the wine stew pork, you know. Yeah, man, if you go and see my, you know, recipe are nice and delicious. Remember, Jamaican cooking it, lumberjack, you know. Please to like and share. Yeah, my peeps, so I go on. Yeah, man, see wine stew pork there. Yeah, man. Good look, you know. Wine stew pork, remember, update, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps, wine stew ready now, you know. Just for about 5 more minutes to go down. Yeah, man, see wine stew, yeah. Wine stew pork. Eatable. Yeah, peeps, you see. Wine stew pork ready now. Yeah, man. Pork, yeah, eatable, delicious. Mouth around water. See? Yeah, man, ready like a Freddy. Remember for like and share, you know. Yeah, man, remember Jamaican cooking with Lumber Jack. Yeah, man, this is a finishing product, you know. See there? Finishing product, man, wine stew. This is the wine stew pork. I say, yeah, man, see it here? Yeah, man. Delicious, eatable, nice. Yes, my peeps, see wine stew pork there. Yeah, man. Dinner time, eatable. Yeah, my peeps, see wine stew there. Rice and peas, shell there. Cow peas, no? Wine stew pork. Delicious.